Have you ever dreamed of stepping outside and harvesting fresh vegetables straight from your own garden? Starting a vegetable garden is much easier than most people imagine. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to grow everything at once. Gardening is not about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently. If you keep it simple, your success rate increases dramatically. The first step is choosing the right location. Vegetables love sunlight. Most crops need at least 6 hours of direct sun every day to grow strong and produce well. Walk around your space and observe where sunlight falls throughout the day. That sunny corner could become your most productive growing area. Next comes the most important part, your soil. Think of soil as the engine of your garden. If the soil is weak, the plants will struggle. Loosen it deeply so roots can expand easily. Then mix in compost or well-decomposed manure. Organic matter improves drainage, feeds beneficial microbes, and gives plants steady nutrition. Healthy soil reduces problems before they even begin. Now it's time to choose what to grow. Start with crops that build confidence. Lettuce, spinach, onions, tomatoes, and green beans are excellent beginner vegetables. They grow relatively fast and are forgiving if you make small mistakes. When you see your first harvest, your confidence will grow. Watering is where many new gardeners go wrong. Plants do not need daily watering unless the weather is extremely hot. Instead, water deeply and less frequently. Deep watering encourages roots to grow downward, making plants stronger and more drought-resistant. Always check the soil first. If the top layer is still moist, wait another day. As your garden grows, make it a habit to inspect it regularly. Remove weeds early before they compete for nutrients. Check under leaves for pests. The earlier you catch a problem, the easier it is to fix. Gardening rewards attention. Starting small, preparing good soil, choosing easy crops, and watering wisely. That's the formula. Within weeks, you'll begin harvesting food you grew yourself, and that feeling? It's incredibly satisfying. Which vegetable will you plant first this season? Subscribe to Z Gardening Tips for weekly growing tips and practical gardening guidance to help your garden thrive.